This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 280 rupees is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, a river rock interior, sleeps 4, self-contained, TV antenna, Colorado detector, smoke detector, microwave, external shower, air conditioning, LP detector, slide-out, oven, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, outdoor entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 280 rupees is 8,698 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.